This next song here, I want to see nothing but chaos. When this song drops, I want to see chaos. You understand me? I want you guys to open up a mosh pit this side. Open up a mosh pit. This side, I want to see a mosh pit. I want you guys to go ape shit when this shit drop. Are you ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Niggas, you should really give a shit. We was humble. Now my little niggas back up. We was sitting in the backyard. It was fun though. We was young and got to put the devil, bitch, I don't know. I was back to a fact. You been next to the lane. Back into the ground, I'm taking out a triple E. All the little shit that used to say ruin me. It's how that you a man and I don't understand the thing. Every day. That's a big addition in the celebrate. And now I tell you that they booty never take. And now she hold my dick up like an accolade. Who let the dog off the leash? Who let the wolf see the sheep? Let him eat right now. Who was a lame in his teens? Who got your bra in the sheets eating meat right now? Perfect, 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 perfect. My Puerto Rican bitches looking kinda innocent. My kind of bitches looking at say what? Ain't no rules in the Congo. Niggas getting hot and drunk in the Congo. You should get the leftover 6 for my uncles. Niggas, you should really give a shit. You was humble. Now my little niggas got drunk with a circle. We was sitting in the backyard. It was young and youngster with the devil, bitch, you don't know. It sounds so. I'm a hoes nigga, not a hoe nigga. He a small nigga, I control niggas. I be some religion, what's the tone, nigga? I'm on the phone with him, go with him. I can't take no shit, I take a joke, nigga. I was thinking my grave and phone, go, nigga. I'm the future, you are talking to the boss, nigga. God damn. Pinky ears, Netflix. Yo, I'm rocking with some guys so good, Jesus. Fuck going wrong and giving up research. And stick together cause we are a people. And I know that line is below me. But if my nigga say he don't know, I don't know either. What you touch? I fuck with my rap when I want to. What? Niggas getting high, getting drunk in the club. You should get the leftover sips for my niggas.